Running ads in different languages like multilingual pay-per-click PPC campaigns is all about reaching out to folks in their own language. It's like saying, hey, we speak your language, let's connect. But hey, it's not all a smooth sailing. There are some tricky bits you gotta watch out for, from language quirks to cultural stuff. Before you dive in, you gotta scope out the scene. Figure out not just what language people speak, but also what makes them tick. Do some digging, check out the local competition, and get a feel for what floats their boat. You want your ads to hit home, right? Just translating your ads won't cut it. Every language has its own vibe, its own slang, you name it. So get pros to tweak your ad so they sound natural and hit the right notes with your audience. Keywords are key. Picking the right keywords is like the bread and butter of PPC. Do your homework for each language and region. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to sniff out the best words that get people clicking. Spruce up your ads, those extra beats on your ads. Yeah, they matter too. Customize them to suit each language group. It shows you care and helps people find what they're looking for. Go local with targeting. Use fancy tools to make sure your ads land where they'll get noticed. Split your campaigns based on language and location. No point showing Spanish ads to folks who only speak French, right? Keep an eye on things. It's not a set it and forget it deal. Keep tabs on how your ads are doing and tweak them as needed. Try different stuff, see what works, and keep at it. My message to business owners who hire PPC managers is that you have to be patient. You shouldn't expect that you land sales right away. At least give 1 month's time to your manager to gather data. That's how it works, especially now that Google Ads algorithm is equipped with artificial intelligence. So it's very difficult to manage ads right now. Give it some time to your manager to gather data and manage your PPC campaigns. Another fact is be culturally aware. What's cool in one place might be a total flop somewhere else. Pay attention to cultural do's and don'ts. Avoid the stereotypes and stuff that might rub people the wrong way. Make landing pages feel like home. Your ads got them interested. Now make sure the landing page seals the deal. Customize them to match your ads, meaning on-page optimization. Google is big, right? But there are other fish in the sea. Platforms like Yandex, Baidu, and Naver have their own fan clubs. Get to know them and use them to your advantage. Different strokes for different folks, right? Some places love Google, others have their own favorites. Tailor your ads to fit the local vibes. Tap into local holidays and events to jazz up your ads. It's a neat way to grab attention and show you're in tune with the local scene. Be there for them. Multilingual support rocks. Make sure you can chat with folks in their language. It's a small touch that goes a long way. Stay in the loop. Keep an eye on what's happening in the world. Trends and news can shake things up, so be ready to adapt. Make sure your team gets the cultural lowdown. Knowing the lay of the land helps them craft killer ads that really hit the mark. Track how your ads are doing in each language. It's the only way to know what's working and what needs a tweak. So there you have it. With these tips, you'll be slinging ads like a pro no matter where your audience hangs out. Go get 'em, boys and girls.